Hello guys, welcome back to Game Noon 33, and today we have something to show you. Psych! We have some fireworks. Oh, okay, so now I'm gonna give it to Ryan. Wait, no. Okay. Can I do? More. Never mind. You got the video? Did you got the video? No. Okay, by the way, guys, we are in souq wakif.
Some another video also in today.
But we'll upload it tomorrow.
Yes, but yesterday
we are just gonna show this until it finishes.
yeah, but yesterday we were idiots, and yesterday's we uploaded in the young
Holy
comments
god damn, bro!
And
Holy damn!
yesterday we were idiots, and we didn't know.
Oh damn! So cool.
Dol. Evie. Guys, please like
And sub.
Yeah, because yesterday's video got only 2 views.
So please sub to us. We're trying to get to 50 right now, so we can live stream.
No, our actual goal is 100, but
we need 50 for live stream. So we're just gonna show you this until it gets over.
yes, hopefully this is not too boring.
Yeah. Hopefully this is some good content right here.
Yeah, because last video was crafted.
Hopefully this one is a good one, and we're gonna do it again. Bye bye. Now let's play a song. It's almost 3
Hey, what's up, baby girls?
Okay. So go.
Guys,
I think that's it, right?
no, it's
Maybe
not
who
it.
knows?
I heard fireworks are real long, and
I think there's more.
no, it's not. It has way more. Stopping. Hi, guys.
I think that's it.
That's not it.
Is that a wrap or is it not a wrap?
Bro, do not actually just cut the video. Without when it's over. Please do not. And guys, make sure the video is not long, because if it is like 30 minutes long, we can't upload it to YouTube. That's the thing. We have to do something to upload it to YouTube.
So maybe we can only show a short of it because it's 5 minutes already. I don't know if people
it's
watch
like
a
30
5-minute
minutes video. We reached the limit of so much time. I mean, you can upload a video on YouTube, but you have to do something that we don't know.
So I think that's it for now, and we might make it short. So bye bye. See you later, guys.